What's up, guys? Welcome back. Oh, wait. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So for this YouTube video, I'm actually going to be reviewing some products that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. So for this month's BOXYCHARM, it actually came in a little bit late. It was actually for the month of August, but I got it in the month of September just because I actually subscribed mid through August, if that makes sense. So my BOXYCHARM did come a little late, so I still wanted to do this video for you guys, but I'm so sorry that it's like half a month late. But I promise you guys I'll be having the September month's BOXYCHARM video as soon as I get it in the mail. So for this month's BOXYCHARM, I actually got this little cute palette right here. It's called the Butter London palette. It actually has a lot of shimmer colors right here. These are like all shimmers, and these two right here are matte. So I actually used these two for today's makeup look. But the only thing that I was super bummed out about was that it had no transition colors, and honestly, you at least need one transition color per palette because it's super hard to blend colors when you don't have a transition color. But although it didn't have any transition color, I fell in love with this blue shadow, and these shimmers right here are super cute. They're super neutral, and I definitely loved the olive green one. I really want to do a look with this very soon, so stay tuned, guys. Another item that came in this month were these little glimmer shadows. There is this like purple violet one, and then there's this like silver with the blue undertone one that I used today. It's super cute. So another item that came in this month was actually a 3-piece set of brushes, but honestly, I did not really like them. They were super stiff and not that easy to blend with, so I just decided to leave those out. I got more items as well. I was super excited to try this Becca Hydro Mist Setting and Refreshing Powder. I actually used this on my face today, and honestly, guys, it felt like water on my face. It felt like I was spraying a freaking hydrating mist on my skin, but in powder. It was actually super amazing, but kind of trippy because it feels like you're wetting your face, like literally. Promise you, this is gonna refresh your skin AF. Another thing that I got was a little illuminating face oil, this Wonder one. It smells like roses, and it's supposed to help bring out your skin's inner radiance with the illuminating oil. So yeah, this thing I used before my foundation, and honestly, it does miracles. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned and go ahead and follow my little social media accounts that I'm gonna be leaving down below. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alright, guys, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off of camera so we can speed up the process a little bit. So I do really want to use a transition color before I use the blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my 350M palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna be going in with this shadow right here. I'm gonna be using that shadow all over my eye. I also went ahead and primed my eyes and set them with the translucent powder so we can just go straight in. Alright, guys, now that I have used the transition color, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the palette now. I'm going to be using the shade called Femme Fatale. It's this beautiful teal color right here, and of course, by the color of my room, my favorite color is blue, so if a palette has a blue shadow, I'm always going to try to use it. I just love these type of colors, so I'm going to go ahead and pack this blue shadow all over my lid. Alright, guys, now that I have packed it onto my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and just see what the final look is. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the brown shadow called Temptress, and it looks like this. It looks like a chocolatey brown color, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that onto my crease. So now that I have darkened it up, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Go ahead and pack on the blue after so we don't lose that pigment. I'm gonna go ahead and use a flat brush that looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the blue I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these out together. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up these eyes and I'm gonna make them look sharper. Next is I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and put on some falsies. So I'll come back once I am done with that so we can go ahead and get started on my face. But before I start, I'm gonna go ahead and add this Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Now that I have added this little illuminating oil, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. Now that I have done my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and set my whole face. This setting powder right here is supposed to help you set and refresh your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, put on blush and some highlight. So I'm gonna speed up that process. So to complete my eyes before anything, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same colors under on my lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. The mascara that came in this month's BOXYCHARM was a Tarte Big Ego mascara, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my bottom lashes and on my top lashes. So let's go ahead and do that. So now to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and add a glimmer shadow into my inner corner that looks like this. Now to finish off the whole look, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lipstick. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried using some of the BOXYCHARM items that came in this month. I actually explained in the intro that I got my BOXYCHARM a little late. It was for the month of August, but I know I'm doing it in September, which is kind of a little bit off. But I hope you guys enjoyed the items and this look that I created with some of those things that came in this box. So I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up and give it a comment down below. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching.